Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study for IB Physics 8 Shell. First, focus on understanding the core concepts from the syllabus. Don't just memorize formulas, truly grasp the underlying principles. Next, dedicate significant time to solving a wide range of problems. This builds your application skills. Regularly review past examination papers to understand question patterns and time management. Finally, engage fully with all practical work and internal assessments, as these contribute a substantial 20% to your final grade. To truly master the content, begin by creating comprehensive notes and visual aids like concept maps for each unit. Supplement your primary textbook with additional resources, including online tutorials and different textbooks, to gain varied perspectives. Never hesitate to ask your teacher for clarification on challenging topics. Their insights are invaluable. A powerful technique is to explain difficult concepts to a friend or even to yourself, as this process reveals gaps in your knowledge. Effective problem solving is crucial. Start by diligently working through every example and end-of-chapter question in your textbook. Then, expand your practice using various question banks and revision guides, aiming for at least 100 problems per major topic. Practice under timed conditions to build speed and exam readiness. Critically analyze every mistake you make. Understanding why you got something wrong is more valuable than simply getting it right. For exam preparation, complete numerous full past papers under strict timed conditions, simulating the actual exam environment. Carefully review the official mark schemes to understand exactly what examiners are looking for in your answers. Identify recurring themes and common question styles across different papers. Maintain a concise, personalized formula sheet for quick reference, and establish a consistent review schedule to keep all concepts fresh in your mind.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.